Hi, first graders. We're back today. We're going to do a lot of reviewing today because we have done a lot of sounds and a lot of things. And I want to make sure you understand those things, okay? So here we go. Let's get some reviewing done. Okay. I bet you guys remember AU and AW. What sound do they make when they're in love? Yes, ah. Good. What about OY and OI? They make kind of a funny sound like Roy the droid. You got it. They say oi. Good job. Okay, and what about these two? OU and OW. One of their sounds is ow. You got it like in mouse and cow. Good job, guys. Okay, let's try our ED ending and our ING ending. Okay, so I'm going to give us a word. Wave. Wave. If we want to have the ED ending on this, it is saying its name. So we just add the D because we don't want two D's together. Okay, if we're going to do ING on the end, we drop the E and add ING so that it still says its name because we should have a vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, let's try another word. Let's try bike. Bike. Okay, this is like wave, isn't it? It's saying its name. So tell me, how am I going to spell bike? You got it. B-I-K-E-D. Good job. Okay, well, how am I going to spell biking? Oh man, first graders, you got this down. We're going to take off the E and add ING. Very good. Okay, now let's try one that says its sound. Let's try hop. It's saying its sound. So what are we, guys? Remember, we make two P's and then put our ending on. So if it's saying its sound, we double that last letter and we put the ending. So we're going to do the same thing for the ing. We're going to double that last letter and we're going to put our ending. Let's try another one of those. Let's try hug. Hug. So you tell me, how am I going to spell hugged? You got it. H-U... G, think. Yes, another G-E-D. So how am I going to spell hugging? H-U, oh, you know it. We're doing the same thing, aren't we? G-G-I-N-G. So remember, when it says its name, when the vowel is saying its name, we just add the D or we drop the E and add ING. When the vowel is saying its sound, that short vowel, it's saying its sound. We're going to double that last letter and put our ending on. Double the last letter and put our ending on. Great job. You guys are getting so good at this. Oh, I have one more question for ED and ING. What sounds can ED make? Yes, it can say Ed. What else can it say? Oh, yes, it can say duh. What else? This is the tricky one. You got it. It can say t. And what about ING? How does it sound? You've got it. It says ing. Very good. Okay. Now, I want to talk a little bit about fact and opinion. Have you heard about fact and opinion before? Well, a fact is something that's true. We could look it up and it's not going to change. It's always going to be the same. And it is a fact. It is true. Okay, an opinion is what somebody thinks about something. Okay, so for example, it is a fact that schools have teachers. Okay, it is an opinion that all teachers are pretty. Okay? So, it's a fact. All schools have teachers. It is an opinion that all teachers are pretty. It's what somebody thinks. Okay? So, let's think of another fact. Let's see here. What would be a fact? It is a fact that zoos have animals in them. It is an opinion that the Omaha Zoo is the best zoo ever. Okay? So remember, a fact is the truth. We could look it up and everybody would find the same answer. An opinion is what somebody thinks. Everybody may not have the same thoughts on something. Okay? All right, first graders, I've got an activity for you. And this is my activity. It's real fun. I think you maybe have done this before, but I'm not sure. But I think you're going to like doing it. Okay, what I want you to do is take a white piece of paper, or construction paper, can be colored. All right? A white crayon. And I want you to write some words with those sounds we've been working on. So I'm going to remind you of our sounds. We have oi. We have ow. We have aw. We also have, oh, I forgot to review these. Let's review them now. We had yesterday's sounds. What do these two say? You got it. They say E, like in piece. Give me a piece of candy. Or they say E, like in happy. And we said usually this E sound is on the end. Now, this can have another sound, but a lot of times it says E, okay? Okay, so remember those two sounds, E, 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 E. Okay, so now, that was our other sound. I want you to take that paper and I want you to write a word that has one of those sounds in it. So, for example, I'm going to write this word. Or have your mom or dad write some words that have those sounds in it. That would be even better. Okay? Then you get to take a dark colored marker. I'm going to use purple today. And you color over where they wrote that in the crayon. And then you read that word that appears. This is called a magic reveal. And I can see the word they wrote was penny. Oh, gosh, there's that E sound. All right, so if you have your mom write another one, and then you get to reveal it with the marker. Color over it. You don't have to be real neat. Just color right over it so that you can see it. There it comes. That word is toy. Okay, so have somebody write some words with a white crayon and paper for you, and then get yourself a dark colored marker. Color over it, and see if you can read all the words to them. Okay? All right, first graders. I hope you did real good on your practicing. I know you are getting really good at those words. You practice reading words with those sounds in them, and you are going to be excellent. All right? We will see you tomorrow. Bye.